We're going to go and talk about safety, first of all. If any of you guys are opening up a mining operation, if you know anybody in the safety and health sector, have them come in and do a courtesy walkthrough with you. You'll find out that, okay, they see this wrong, and that way you can mitigate your chances of being sued because somebody's gotten hurt or somebody's died because of what we're working with, because we're going to be working with some heavy voltages. Here's an example of some wiring that's gotten overheated, and as you can tell, it's pretty bad. We've had several incidents here where you plug something in and all of a sudden you get flames. If you don't have flames, sometimes you get a nice big arc. We had a unit that came in that had some damage. We didn't know about it, but once we plugged it in, we had a big kaboom, or we had flames. My first group of S9 miners, as soon as I plugged it in, I had on the control board, I had flames coming out of it. Lou here had an S19, plugged it in, kaboom! And you want to mitigate your liability because you don't want anybody getting hurt. Then we can go into machinery, transformers, properly secured, wired properly, clearance around it, where you're going to have racking, where you're going to have things stored, you're going to have the machines running. So the things that you're going to need on hand for that is X amount of fire extinguishers, eye wash station, first aid kit. Luckily for Lou, nothing happened, except that he's got tingling fingers. Those are items that you're going to want to have on hand. First aid kit, and maybe an electrical shepherd's hook, so that you can actually pull a person away from a electrical panel if they decided to play with it.